had a few requests. They want to see a test drive of the 75 Caprice Classic when we're on our lunch break. And I got a little help today. So we're gonna take her for a ride. This car is very clean, good running and driving. 18.9. Let's take her for a spin. Oh, it's a good idea. Hop in the back. There you are. Appreciate you doing that.
Yeah, bro.
What's for lunch today?
What about some slim chickens?
Sounds good. Got good throttle response, brakes are good. Nice tight steering. Feels like I'm driving a boat. Got some oversized wheels and tires when they're not rubbing or anything. Flasher's working in the dash. Heat's working. About 30 degrees here today. Go down to Center Point Barbecue. No?
Nah.
I'm going to be getting some GoPros for our next videos. I've already ordered them. Get some mounts I can put on the fenders, on the hood. I have some stuff set up in here on the dash, over in the corners. We get some better test drive videos. You can see the outside, the inside. You can set up there at maplemotors.com. You can check out any of the cars. If you see anything that you want me to test drive, give me a shout out on here under the comments. And we'll take it to lunch. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I post videos every day. I do walk-arounds of every car. This one here's already got a walk-around on there. Just scroll down back through my YouTube page. We've got 75 to 100 muscle cars for sale at all times. If you want detailed pictures of any of the cars, we've got about 100 detailed pictures. Just email us at maplemotors@aol.com or give us a call. So we've been around for about 35 years. We buy and sell about an average of 30 cars a month. Specialize in old classics. We're getting ready to pull up to old Slim Chickens over here, our lunch destination. Like I said, if you have something else you want me to test drive, post in the comments. Try to pull her up and get to it. Again, I appreciate you watching. I don't want to eat outside here, man. Did you see all the people?
No, I didn't see him.
There's some parking spots.
We might get a spot inside.
Look straight ahead if he don't take it.
Sweet.
See if this wide body will fit up in there.
Like a glove.
Appreciate y'all watching. Thank you.